How to remove powered by WordPress. To remove powered by WordPress, just right click on that and then click on inspect. Now on the top, click on this icon. Now select the text. Now on the right, select the div and copy the class. Just double click and copy. Now close it. Now on the top, go to the customize. Now on the left panel, go to additional CSS. I will share this code in my description box. And there you go. After that, click on publish. So that's how you can remove powered by WordPress. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.